Let's take a look at the first example. We have following operations. We have multiplication, addition inside of the parentheses, and we have power. So what we're supposed to do first? Always perform the operation inside of the parentheses. So I have 4 times 7 plus 4 is equal 11. And to the second power. Next, we're supposed to raise 11 to the second power. 11 to the second power you can rewrite as 11 times 11, which is equal 121. So I have 4 times 121. How much is it? Let's calculate. We have 121 times 4. 4 times 1 is equal 4. 4 times 2 is equal 8. And I have 4 times 1 is equal 4. So this is 484. And this is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second one. We have power, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, addition, and division. We have to do power first. 6 to the third power you can rewrite as 6 times 6 times 6, which is equal 6 times 6 is equal 36, and 36 times 6 is equal 216. So this is 216 minus 4 times 5 is equal 20, plus 20 divided by 4 is equal 5. Remember, we're supposed to perform multiplication and division at the same time because they are equally important. So, because I have subtraction and addition at this moment, I simply perform the operations from left side to right side. I have 216 minus 20 is 196 plus 5. 196 plus 5 is equal 201. And this is the solution to my problem.